Okay, today we're going to take a look at one of the best Zippos that you can get. Now this one arrived with a sleeve, the protective sleeve, and it says where Eagles dare. And of course, it's in the old standby Zippo box. And it's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. It also says where Eagles dare on the barcode. Bradford, PA. Now this is a brass Zippo, brushed brass, and it was made in quite recently, and looks like a G of 17, so that was late last year. And you can see it's got the heavy plates glued onto this thing. There's a good look at the eagles flying around. Sounds kind of mute because of the plates, but it fires up nice. This is the second Eagle Zippo I've got. This is the first one over here. They're basically both the same. The first one I got was made in, looks like 2011, J of 2011. This one's never been lit up. And here's the one I just got, made in, like I said, G of 17. What does one of these brass Zippos with the plates on it weigh? And let's take a look. Okay, now this Zippo with the plates on it weighs in at 2.7 ounces. Now a normal Zippo brass with the brass insert. Now this Trek Zippo was made in, looks like G of 13. This is one I keep on my desktop all the time. Without the plates, it looks like it weighs 2 ounces. This one still fires up really nice. So let's do a drop test on this new Eagle plate. So there's the Eagle, where the Eagles dare Zippo, passing the drop test quite easily. It's really a nice one. That goes into the collection right next to the older one, and definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.